Hi, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how to create temporary Gmail addresses. Temporary Gmail address is very important if you want to uh, download some stuffs from any other sites and they require your Gmail address, but you don't want to give your primary Gmail addresses, or you want to sign up for some newsletter but don't want to use your primary Gmail addresses. Then you can use such temporary disposable Gmails. Uh, you can also use some other mails, but some sites don't allow other sites than the Gmail. So you can use these sites. You can look. You can see that I have opened some sites for these purposes beforehand. So what can you do is go to the sites. First is Gmail letter. Open this. In these sites you can see some disposable email addresses there. A lot of mails are there. So when I refresh, look, it's a gmail.com. So we will go there. uh, like this there are a lot of other sites like Snail Pro. You can search for it. Send Snail Pro, sorry. So look, access all Gmail or Outlook. uh, I have exhausted the limit because it shows there's 0 per 3, or and only one available. So you can create, and um, this was like before. Okay. And another site is boomlify.com. Go to this site and go to gmail.com, and you can find this email. You can copy an address, and just like before it's worthless. There is another site which has some more functionality, which is like the before. You can create Gmail and use this, but you can also set password. But the problem is that you need to subscribe to the premium, and it cost around $2.5. So let's check if it works or not. Mm, Not previously logged in. Let's sign up. Create a beginner account. Let's just oops. Let's just copy this. Look, confirmation link was sent to this email address. Let's check now. Look, it's also come. If we check here, we can sign up to the site with this. Thank you, guys.